Hey guys, it's Sharon from Cargo On. And I bet you didn't know, or maybe you did, that we are from New Jersey. So I am out here filming under a full moon and been looking at these skies. We always have a lot of air traffic, but way more now. And who knows, everybody around here has seen something. We don't know what it is. It's a little concerning, but anyway, I just thought I would say hi. We haven't been doing too much camping, or any, since the last one. That was in the Poconos, so we put that one up. That was in like September. And I'm working a lot, so not too many videos. Well, golly, who says I can't film stuff around the house? We still barbecue when we're not camping and stuff. I'm making a couple of burgers. The siren that you hear, I think Santa comes around. Well, he comes around here on Christmas Eve, but the next town over I think he's at right now. So anyway, I'm cooking our burgers, and the neighbor on drone watch. I wonder what that is. It's crazy. I mean, I've lived here my whole life, and there's constantly things flying over us. Planes. This is different. Look, here comes another one. In fact, I can't believe I'm doing this. Maybe. So again, the sirens is probably Santa driving around, because today's like the 15th or something, or it's a parade in one of the nearby towns, because a lot of times they decorate the fire trucks and drive around for the kids. So that's what that noise is. So yeah, this is the New Jersey sky. I have no idea what's going on. Nobody knows. I was listening to one of the, I guess it was a senator or something today. Just sounding so angry. There's something flying up there. It's not that high. Doesn't make any noise. Very easy to convince yourself it's a plane. Oh, I know what I was saying. So earlier I was looking up at the sky with binoculars and at nothing, just scanning the sky. And I saw a plane. And I took the binoculars down and there was no plane. And it was a weird plane. It almost looked like, at first I wanted to say like a cheetah print or something, but maybe it was like camouflage or something. It was bizarre. And every time I took the binoculars away, I could not see it. So eventually I lost sight of it pretty easy. And then the other thing I was doing was just holding the camera like this and holding it somewhere where I don't even see anything. And then when I go back and look at it, I see these white lights moving all around that I didn't know was on there. So anyway, I gotta cook my burgers. So let's check on them. Don't like to burn the burgers. Sure they're done too. So anyway, there's something else up there. There's always something in these skies. What the heck is going on? Alright, this is awful low. I have no idea what this is. Sounds like a prop plane. They never fly over our house. Not that way. What is that? In this clip, I was just filming the sky, and when I looked at it later, I realized that there was a lot of stuff moving in it. This second part here is the same thing, just zoomed in. This video right here, this that I just showed you, was when I said I was just filming nothing and they were flying around. So I don't know what's going on. If you want to find out what's going on, just make sure you come back. Sign up for the alerts so you'll know when we put up another video, and maybe I'll keep you updated on what's going here in New Jersey. See if we get droned up or locked up. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe all of New Jersey's just smoking too much marijuana. So thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here, we've got plenty of videos. There's over 700 videos. This channel is about camping in our little cargo camper and how Rick remodeled his camper. So there's tons of videos in here, so please check them out. Take care, guys.